this is Ratin, me again. This time we are with Porter governor. Last time we have discussed regarding what governor, and once again thanks for all your support, and keep supporting, keep subscribing, keep hitting the bell button so whenever I come up with new content you can actually get a notification on your browser, isn't it? So let's discuss this Porter governor. As you can see, this left hand side, this entire thing is a Porter governor arrangement, free body diagram. As you can see, if you compare with the what governor, this sleeve, yes, this is what? This is sleeve. This sleeve doesn't have mass in case of what governor, but in this case it has a weight that is capital M into G. Capital M into G, isn't it? So it is also a symmetrical thing. So we have taken the left hand side portion of the Porter governor with the pivot O, as you can see in the right hand side of the diagram. With A we have the two forces, small mg and the Fc, and at B, since we are taking the half portion of the Porter governor, so it will be capital Mg by 2. So we are trying to find out the instantaneous center. Using the instantaneous center, we will derive the equation of governor height h, and governor height using these forces. Yeah. So if you can see, if we find moment about the instantaneous center I, can you tell me what will be that? Yeah. See, this Fc force will try to move this I in anti-clockwise direction. So it will be Fc into the distance AD. And this force mg will try to move this point I in the clockwise direction. So it will be mg into id, the force and perpendicular distance. In this case, Fc into AD is its perpendicular distance. In case of mg, id is the perpendicular distance. Next, mg, then capital Mg by 2. This entire distance I to B is the perpendicular distance, so it will be IB. So if you sort out this equation, you can find the equation of governor height H for Porter governor. Okay, so the next step will be Fc into Fc, just a minute. Yeah, Fc is equal to mg by id, just taking the AD into the right side of the equation, mg by 2 into ib plus AD, isn't it? So if we see the equation of Fc is nothing but this thing, m omega square into r. Okay, so if we put id by AD, what will be id by AD, by the way? It is nothing but tan alpha. And what is ib by AD? It would be nothing but tan alpha plus tan beta. If you sort out these equations, this equation, you can simply find out what are those things actually. Okay, if it is alpha, since it will be also alpha by parallel lines theory, and this will be also beta. If this is beta, this is beta, isn't it? So our id by AD is tan alpha, ib by AD is also tan alpha plus tan beta. So if we sort out this equation, it will become something like this: m omega square r mg tan alpha plus capital Mg by 2 into tan alpha plus tan beta. Are you getting my point? So I'm moving to the next page, solving this equation. So what the equation we got? M omega square R mg tan alpha plus capital Mg by 2 tan alpha plus tan beta. So it will be what? If we want to remove this M and R, it will be like M omega square R. Let us take common G tan alpha. It will be M plus capital M by 2 1 plus tan beta by tan alpha. Yeah. So if we put R tan alpha equal to, see, tan alpha is equal to what? R by H, isn't it? So we can remove this M omega square is equal to G by H, putting the value of tan alpha M plus capital M by 2 1 plus, let us consider this ratio tan beta by tan alpha is Q for now. So if we take M out from it, so it will be omega square G by H 1 plus capital MB by 2M 1 plus Q, isn't it? And if we put the equation in this way, H equal to, putting the value of G and 2 pi n square, 2 pi n by 60, omega equal to 2 pi n by 60. So what will be that? H equal to 895 n square 1 plus capital M by 2M 1 plus Q. So this is the equation of governor height for Porter governor. So we'll be comparing this with again with Powell once we are in our next video, and we'll be deriving the governor height for the Powell governor, and then again we'll compare all the three, the Watt governor, Porter governor, and the Powell governor. So thanks for being with me. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.